Okay, in this video what we're going to do is change the query string in the URL. So that sounds quite difficult, but I'll just explain what it is, right? So if I was, because our default language is German, if I change this to English, you'll see up at the top, and in the videos I've done before, it's got a query string to say, yeah, that's the page in English, and it's lang equals n. So that doesn't, it's not that user friendly. It's not super great for SEO and Google because lang's not really a real word. So we can change this to do /en/. Okay, so this is how you do it. You come into your languages. I come down to where's it gone? Yeah, here, it's up at the top. Language URL format. So it looks like it's in a different folder on the server. So it goes /en/. Okay, so let's just do that. So let's change that. And I'm just going to press save, right? We're going to leave that box unticked. You may need to resave site permalink, so let's just go and do that. Post name sounds good, save. Right, so that should be done, okay? So if I come back here now to the main website, I'm going to press the home page. Oops. Okay, so that's our home page. If I was to change this to English, you see it's just got en rather than $lang equals en. Not much, but a little bit tidier and does make a bit more sense for search engines and human beings. So that's how you change the permalink structure in WPML, in languages, and in URL structure, which is right there.